Tough Shield instructional video, normal and reverse install, a Tough House product by Beyond Locks. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a stepladder. We've included the Tough Shield, shield cover, nuts, bolts, and washers, and the instructions. The normal install should be used with most garage doors. Fold the carriage tab away from the door arm and place the Tough Shield against the carriage. Fold 2 or 3 mounting tabs around the door arm. Use the highest tab possible and other locations that avoid existing hardware. Attach the Tough Shield to the door arm using the machine screws, locking washers, and nuts provided. Check the operation of the door with the Tough Shield attached. Tighten all nuts, ensuring the shield is still against the carriage. Finish the installation with the shield cover. Insert the 4 tabs of the shield cover into the Tough Shield. By installing the Tough Shield, you've now made a barricade to your garage door release system. The reverse installation should be used if the drive chain hangs below the rail or if the carriage release is too close. Open the garage door to view the space between the door arm and the rail or drive chain. Fold the carriage tab and the sides to fit in the allowed space. Check the fit and adjust if needed. If your fold creates a sharp angle, install the shield cover before mounting to the door arm. Attach the Tough Shield with approximately 1.5 inches below the drive chain or rail. Fold 2 or 3 mounting tabs around the door arm, again using the highest tab possible, and other locations that avoid existing hardware. Attach using machine screws, locking washers, and nuts provided. Check the operation of the door, making sure the Tough Shield remains approximately 1.5 inches below the rail or drive chain through the travel of the door. Make any adjustments to the position, tighten all nuts, and adjust the fold if necessary. Finish the Tough Shield installation by inserting the 4 tabs on the shield cover into the Tough Shield and bending these tabs to the shield.